everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to discuss about the Olympic questions. So the question is, let me share my screen. This is the question actually, like gymnastic scoring system. Write a program that take five judges score as input, remove the highest and lowest score and return the average of the remaining three scores. So we are going to do this question on the Python. Okay, I will show you how we can write the solution for this. Let's learn. So I hope my screen is visible to you. In this question, first of all, we have to take the input from the user as a score. So we will write score 1 equals to int input enter score given by judge means we can put the name by Zamrit is, and then I'm going to copy paste this, and this. We will just make the difference in the score 2 and 3, 4, and 5 because we have to take 5 scores from the user. And let's say the name of the judges. I hope it's you are able to see it. Okay, next task is to store all the scores in the list. So let's do that. First, we will create empty list and then we will add all the score into the list. Like this, by using append function, you can add all the scores in the list. So I'm going to make it 2. Then it's 3. And then it's 4, score 4, because we have made the variables name score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is the 5. So I just made it. Now what we are going to do, we will be printing the list before removing the maximum and minimum score from the list. It looks like this. So we can add any comment as according to our choice. It's not needed like you have to write always same. Okay, next thing is that we have to remove the maximum and minimum number. So we can write like that list 1 dot remove max of list 1. In a similar way, we can write list 1 dot remove min of list 1. So it will just remove minimum and maximum number from the list. Let's print it. Print after removing the maximum and minimum score from the list, it looks like this. So we will print the list 1 again. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the average of the left scores, like all the left scores. We have to calculate the average of the left score. So we will write print the average score of print. So what is the formula of average? Actually, it's like the sum of all the numbers divided by total numbers, right? So we will write sum of list 1 divide and we will calculate the length of the list one. So obviously, if you will calculate length, it will automatically give you the correct answer. Let's go and run this code. So you can see it is asking me to enter the score. I entered 80, 79, 60, 76. You can enter any 67, and I entered 99. So now see, before removing the list, it was 80, 79, 76, 67, 99. And then it removed the maximum and minimum number from the list, like 80, 79, and 76 are left. And the average will be calculated of these three numbers. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.